before they're being built.
I drank my wine, and I think I got a hiccup. Hiccups.
And the wine.
What I'm saying
In her
is,
20s.
I actually
Yeah, she was
drank
older
wine.
than me.
It was good.
That was
And
19.
now I can't.
When I saw you guys again with Taylor.
Your hand will start hurting.
I had a great time with you and Miss Joyce, even though she cracks me up.
Don't worry, everybody. My hiccups has passed itself, so I'm good. This is the place that we went to on my mom's friend's birthday today. They served us delicious meals like this, and it looks good. I got my desserts and 3 wines for me and my mom and her friend on her birthday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.